All right, you guys, I told y'all don't be like me. Don't let your squash get this big. All right, let's get it, you guys. We got a lot on the other side. We got a few cucumbers over here. We got some more, you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is just clean up just a little bit. I'm gonna prune back a little bit. For some reason over here, my watermelon patch, my watermelons are cracking. Kind of like pruning and clearing off this path, you guys, because ain't nothing else probably going to grow in this area. Probably got, probably got about one or two more harvests, and that's going to be it. Yeah, I think on this right hand side, I mean left hand side, it's gonna be it, you guys. Even with the cucumbers. So what I like to do when I'm harvesting is clean up so that I have less cleanup and weeding out to do. When it comes to my fall sowing, which probably be next week. Get these beds ready for the fall. I don't think the watermelon patch I found the cucumber is going to do as well this year, you guys. And also, the heat exhaustion on the tomatoes is there. They are starting to collapse. So, I'll probably do some stringing up and see what else I could get off of them. But there's still a lot of tomatoes out there, though. Alright, you guys. So, I'm going to call it a harvest and a cleanup. So, as you can see back here, it doesn't look as lush and green as it usually do. Y'all see? So, probably later on today, I'm going to come out and clean these and check some of the vines just to see. But right now, I'm only seeing like about maybe 3 to 4 watermelons that may survive. I have to figure out which vine it is and see if I could salvage any. But the way it's looking now is heat exhaustion and also maybe too much water. Not sure which one it is, but it is one or the other. So, let's see if I can get you guys turned around. So, overall, not too bad of a harvest. I will take that. All right, you guys. So, again, I will come out. I lost my towel. I will come out probably later on today, and towards the weekend, I should have this whole area cleared out so that I could get ready for my fall crops. But right now, everything is looking like heat exhaustion, powdery mildew, what they call it, the cabbage. I mean, not the cabbage. The cucumber bug is out here like crazy. And watermelon patch did not do as good as the last few years. So, not disappointed. Just gonna go with the flow, and then I will clean this up and get ready for our brassica season, which I am looking forward to that. And just get it cracking with that, you guys. But still got some tomatoes. Got tomatoes. And gonna get what I could get over there. And I'm just gonna call it a wrap for the summer season and get ready to move on. All right, family. I hope you guys enjoyed my harvest for today. And I hope you guys is having a great summer. And I hope you guys is having a wonderful harvest this season. All right, you guys, this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, peace.